Hi friends, welcome to VCreation Technologies. Please like and subscribe to our channel so that you will get latest notifications. And today in this video, we will talk about how to use PadRight method inside string in C#. And also we will discuss what is the need of this PadRight method. And to discuss, let me just move to the Visual Studio to give you an example. So here I will take a string str. And this string can be of anything, but for the sake of purpose I am just using hello. And in case of the PadRight method, the return type is string, so here also I will use the same string. But in PadRight method, what it will do is, so whatever the string we are using, it will just add in the right hand side either the character or the space based on the what is the length. So let me take here string str. So PadRight is also having the same two overloaded methods. In case of the first overloaded methods, it will take a single parameter which is nothing but about the int, and in case of the second parameter, in case of the second overloaded methods, it will take an int value as well as a character value. So first let me just take the first overloaded methods, where I will pass my string length as 10. So here, by applying the PadRight method to the str, what it will do, so it will take a string whose length is 10, and first it will take hello, and after that it will take 5 blank spaces. And here I am just printing my PadRight string. And when I will run this application, the output will be like hello, and after that it will take 5 spaces. But as per the output here, we are unable to see. So here let me take the second overloaded methods, which will take a character, and here I will give a. Now here if you can see, first it prints hello, after that it prints 5a because the string length is 10. And also here we can choose and take 1 2 3 4 5, and here let me just change our character as 7. Now in the output window you can see here, first it prints 1 2 3 4 5, after that it prints 5 7 because our string length is 10. And by using this PadRight method, you can implement in your project as per the requirement. Thanks.